Okay, Will here from PPC Coach. So how does print on demand with t-shirts work? That's a good question. There are basically a couple steps to it, but it is not that hard. So I've got 5 that I'm going to lay out for you, and then you can basically get started right away. It's if you have the right kind of system in place, which is what I'm going to show you. So step 1 is doing your research. You want to find t-shirts that are already made. Use them for inspiration, but do not copy them. And where do you find these? Just go to Google, go to Etsy, go to Walmart, go to any store online. Even go to stores and take out your camera and start taking pictures. You'll find a lot of t-shirts that are already out there. Step 2, once you got some ideas, then you need to create them. So you're going to use Photoshop or Photopea, or you can use apps, or you can outsource the design. So Photopea is pretty cool. It's actually a copy of Photoshop, but it's available for free. So you can definitely go there and check it out. Photoshop is only $10 a month. I use it like pretty much every day in my business, so it's worth it. But Photopea is a good option too. And outsourcing, you can hire a designer, or you can go to a place like Fiverr and get it done too. So once you've done your research, you have an image, then you want to upload it somewhere, and that's where you go to Gearbubble or Redbubble or Spring, which used to be Teespring. I guess they rebranded. Not sure why, but they did. And also Amazon Merch is another place you can apply. So with Amazon Merch, you take that design file, you upload it to them, and then Amazon will actually they'll sell it, print it, and do all that good stuff. Now, with Amazon Merch, it really is a numbers game. You have to upload a ton of t-shirts in order to make any kind of reasonable money from there, because there's so much competition. There's like millions and millions and millions. So using the other places, even Redbubble, there's a lot of competition, but you can definitely make money on them. Step 4 is traffic. So you've got basically 2 routes, free or paid ads. If you go free, that's when it's kind of difficult, because you're going to be looking at trying to do SEO, or you're going to try and look at posting in groups or something like that on Facebook, which you can get banned for if you do it wrong. I prefer the paid ads because I control it, and that's where I can actually target people. So let's say that I have a shirt that's for horse lovers. It says like I love horses on it. Well, I can go on, say, Facebook or YouTube or wherever, and I can target people who like horses. And that's a good match for my t-shirt, because odds are they might buy it. Whereas free traffic, I have no control over who sees it or who looks at it or anything like that. So I prefer paid ads personally, but there's a lot more involved to it. So step 5 is repeat. So keep finding ideas, keep creating, keep uploading, keep sending traffic to them. It's a volume game. It really is a numbers game. So the more you put out there, the higher your chance of success is going to be. If you just make like a couple t-shirts and you put them up on some platform and then nothing happens, you're going to get discouraged. And I've seen it quite a few times where people do that. So make it a goal and say, this week I'm going to upload 10, and maybe 10 per week. And then at the end of the year, you have 520, right? 10 times 52 weeks is 520 up. So I don't do daily goals personally, because some days I don't feel like doing anything. Other days I'm super productive, but I will do weekly goals where I know what I want to do for the week. So that's how you do it. Works very well. If you do want some help, I do run ads daily for my print-on-demand products. Like my main focus is jewelry, but I also do coffee mugs, and I do hoodies instead of t-shirts, just because there's a higher margin for profit. And I run ads for my coaching program too. So if you want to learn more, visit my site, join the forums, buy the Quick Start program, whatever you want to do. Subscribe to this channel. More is always coming. And join my free group. It's ppc-coach.com/group. And let me know if you've tried the t-shirt business in the comments. Let me know what you've done, and let me know how it's going for you. All right, have a great day. We'll talk soon.